What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's 6th September, so it's a special vlog for two reasons. Number one, it's my birthday, and number two, we are in Austria. We are traveling around Salzburg this time, and we have our light brigade. We have Shuman, of course, for the drones, and he's always accompanying me, and we have Dheeraj da. Hi. And we have someone else as well. Hello, say hello to Betseva. What do you think about the place?
This place is awesome. It's my first time here and I'm so glad. So nice.
We are gonna take the cable car there and go on top of the mountain. So I'm excited. Let's do this, guys.
Salzburg, which literally means salt fortress, is a magnificent city well known for being the birthplace of the great Mozart. But we started our journey from the far end, from the Untestberg. Magisterial, scenic, and breathtaking would be the three words to describe the cable car ride up the mountain.
Finally, we have reached to the top of this place, this hill, which is called Untestberg. It's probably the most scenic place here in Salzburg, and maybe one of the most scenic places in Europe that we have seen till date. And you can see all the clouds. They have been stagnant for a while, but then that's the beauty. It really feels like we're in a 4D, reality immersion room, and this is just a wallpaper for Windows, maybe. Okay, so we have got an opportunity to film a fine gentleman who is about to start his paragliding adventure on this very hill.
This is awesome. You know what? It's also raining, and oh, okay. Viel Glück. Up next, we are at the Salzburg Zoo, and you can see what are these, orangutans? No, just monkeys, I guess. They're out in the open. Enjoy, guys.
Salzburg Zoo had animals big and small. Some were ferocious, some rather funny.
What do you think about the zoo?
It's boring. They have sheep here, they have dogs here, they have
Goats.
frogs,
Goats.
goats. I don't know. If this is what it looks like, then my whole, the backyard of my house looks like.
Yeah. There are cows, goats hanging around everywhere. The good thing about it is it's just in front of the mountain. So it's kind of flanking the mountain, so the view is really awesome. But there are a lot of kids here, which is weird because we are the only group with no kids, only grown-ups. But it's never led to be a kid, right?
And
Anyways.
you can also operate the JCB over there. If you're a fan of JCB, you know what I mean.
What's a JCB?
There was a meme back sometime, JCB ki khudai.
Oh,
So
Shuman, let's do this.
the kids are doing it. I don't know if they'll allow me. Let's see.
You break it.
He can do this. Go, go, go. Go and tell that you want to play with them.
Oh no, you need to pay for it.
Oh,
I'm not paying for it.
The city of Salzburg seemed rather warm and peaceful.
Where are we going now?
We are going now Mozart's
Residence. Residence or birthplace?
residence.
Okay, so now our target is to go to Mozart's residence and birthplace. Dhirajda is our guide. তোমরা আগে যাও।
Almost like it's gazing at the Austrian Alps, drunk in its
We
beauty.
have Mozart Wohnhaus. This is where Mozart used to live. So basically you give them the Salzburg card that you have and everything, like all the previous rides, and this is also covered in that. And probably they'll give us a guided tour or something. Let's see. What are these?
Audio guide.
Okay. কি করতে হবে?
Press.
Oh, cameras are not allowed. Cameras are not allowed,
Beautiful medieval forts, the Salzach River, the old town. It all took us back to those times.
We were able to buy the ticket to the last cruiser ride around the city of Salzburg, and right now we are waiting for the boat. Dhirajda, you're excited? You're excited for the cruiser ride?
Yeah, obviously, because in Europe this is my first cruise ride, so I'm really excited.
Human, we already had a cruiser ride in Prague, but then of course new city, new experience,
Good
right?
things are always fun.
The cruiser ride was the perfect closure to our trip. Dead tired of all the walking, hill climbing that we had done all the day, it felt strangely soothing to sit back and watch Salzburg in a whole new perspective. with the sound of the flowing water coming down the mountain above, and the slow rhythmic swaying of the little boat, we bid goodbye to Salzburg. And well, indeed, it was a perfect birthday gift for me.
ধরো আরেক ধরো